welcome to Ivanu's Tech Channel, and today's video I'm gonna show you a under $600 gaming PC. So I'm building a PC for a friend of mine. His name is Barry, and it's actually a Christmas present for his daughter. So anyway, this video is gonna be consisting of a three-part series. One is the introduction of my build, why I choose these parts, and the second one is the actual video build itself, the time-lapse and everything. And the third one is I'm gonna do some benchmarking on a CPU and a GPU. And also, this build is focusing on 1080p gaming, at least that could run 60 frames on any games for high settings. So let's jump in the video. So all these products that I'll be used in this video, you can check the link in the description to get it. You can buy it from Amazon or on eBay. So for the choice of my graphics card, I chose the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. It is a Pascal architecture that's 16 nanometer in size. It has also features some game streaming technology. You can game stream, and what else? It has Ansel technology, where you can take a picture of in-game 360 degrees. So this GeForce 1050 Ti is good for 1080p gaming. For the CPU that I chose the Intel Core i3 Skylake. It is a 2016 model, and it will fit on a LGA 1151 socket board. Also, it comes with a stock CPU cooler, so I don't really have to buy any CPU cooler. This should be sufficient enough for 1050 Ti, unless if you're having a GTX 1070, then definitely you need more than i3, or you're probably gonna get i5 because it will get bottleneck. For my choice of motherboard, I chose the Gigabyte H110M-Alpha. It is a LGA 1151 that supports DDR4 up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, and I think the maximum speed would be 2133. For the storage, I chose the Western Digital 1TB. It is a 7200 RPM. It's way better than the 5400 RPM, so I think this should be good enough for this build. And so for my choice of RAM, I chose the G.Skill High Performance DDR4. It is a 8GB with a speed of 2133. For the power supply that I chose the Intermax 500 watts. It should be enough for this build. And so I chose the Vivo PC case from Amazon. It is $36.99, and it also comes with a blue 120mm fan, which is in the front. Also, you can add additional fan on the top and on the back. So this PC case, it is a window type. It's kind of like dark glass on the side, not glass, but more like tempered glass. No, more like plastic glass. Anyway, yeah, it supports a full ATX motherboard, micro ATX, and also ITX motherboard. So yeah, this is pretty good. It's white, black and white, with a blue accent on it. So that's it for today's video, guys, and hopefully you guys like the video. If you guys would love to see some more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have any suggestions, ideas, comments, please post it down below. Also, you can check the products in the link description below. And hopefully I could see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.